Hi guys, welcome back. So it is Boxycharm Premium unboxing day, and I gotta say I'm a little anxious after my Boxy Luxe. So I haven't opened it this time. This time it's completely sealed. It's looking a little smashed up here, so I hope I have better luck with this box than I did with my Boxy Luxe. We're gonna open that in just a second, but before we do, hi, if you're new here, I'm Annie. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am a 40-something lover of color who believes you can have fun with color at any age. So I'm really glad, like I said, that you found me here, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. You're gonna hear some music. My daughter is practicing her trumpet right now. I can't do anything about that. She has auditions coming up, so she needs to practice. So we get serenaded with some trumpet happening here. Some of it might not be the best because, again, she's rehearsing audition stuff. Some of it's new material, some of it's just stuff she's playing by ear. So let's go ahead and bust this baby open. Should have pulled out my scissors. I do this every single time. If you're curious about what is on my face, I did film this. It will be up soon. This unboxing will be up before, but this look is coming soon. I did use the MBACosmetics watercolor bundle that looks like this, and then I added some Devinah shadows and some Multichrome Flakes and some other stuff. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right into this. Like I said, I'm a little nervous. All right, there's foam in here this time, so that's a plus. I'm happy about that. So yay, last time my Boxy Luxe just was packed with paper and I had several things broken. I don't see a card. That's unfortunate. So I guess we're just going to go in, and I have no idea how much any of these things cost. So the first thing I have is this $1 billion brow multi-sculpting tool. I'm really not thrilled about that because I got these brushes in the last box. Let's see if I can find them here. This, which is exactly the same thing. And I also got the highlighting brush in this set, which is exactly the same thing as that. So right off the bat, not thrilled with this. I will probably give that away to somebody else because I don't need that. Next thing I have in here, boy, I wish I had a card so I knew how much these things cost. Oh, a Skin & Co. Skin & Co. Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. Yeah. The Italian collection. Not super excited about this either. I'm not one that actually uses shower gels, to tell you the truth. Let's open it up and see if I can smell it. Well, it's sealed, kind of. Well, maybe not. Let's see. It's kind of a lemon scent, so I guess that's not terrible. But I don't know. I don't really consider either of these a Luxe product, so I'm a little disappointed. And again, I have no frame of reference for how much any of these things costs. Maybe I'll have to go online and see if I can find prices for some of these things, because I can't verify whether I received a box worth what I paid if I don't have a card. The next thing that I have in here is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. So this is yet another skincare item. I got a sleeping mask in my Luxe as well. So yeah, I'm not thrilled about this. I do know at least that this is a pricier item, so that's good, I guess. But I don't know how much skincare a girl can go through. Next, I have a lipstick from Kat Von D. It still says Kat Von D, so this is clearly old stock they're getting rid of. This is a cream lipstick in the shade Homegirl, which actually looks like it's going to be a nice shade. Let's open that up. Now that Kat Von D is no longer associated with this company, and it's, what is it, Kendo Vegan Beauty Love or something, I don't know. I'm more apt to use her products or their products. So I like the packaging. I think it's very cute, very KVD. And ooh, that is quite a vampy shade. I actually really like this. I love these dark shades like this. We're gonna go ahead and like just swatch it here. Oh yeah, I like that shade. That is definitely something that I will use for sure. So I am happy about that, but I know that these are like super on sale at Sephora right now for like way cheap. The next thing is another Kat Von D item. This is the Kat Von D Equal liner. So this is just a liquid liner in a brush format. Shake it, it says. Shake it. And let's see what the little brush looks like. It's a nice little brush, so I think that that will work well on my old eyeballs. Let's kind of, oh yeah, you can get a nice thin line with that, so I like that. I don't know if you saw that or not, but there's that. And then the last thing that's in this box is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. Please don't be broken. My palette in the last box was broken, so I really hope this one is not. Okay, so it comes with this little insert on, I guess, how you contour your face, which I guess is good for people who are just learning about makeup. The packaging on this is really, really pretty, isn't it? It's really nice. Oh, yay, and it's intact. That's a really pretty palette, isn't it? It really is. So that's what it looks like. So the thing about contour palettes that I don't totally love is, of course, there's always shades in here that you can't use. And this is fairly light, so I know that this is not going to work for all skin tones. It's really only going to work for lighter skin tones. I'm very interested in these shades, these two shades here, as they look quite cool. I always have a hard time finding a cool contour for my skin tone. They often look a lot more red on my skin that I'd like. I'm going to go ahead and swatch those. Let me just kind of set it down though. So I'm going to start with the light contour and then the medium contour. So I don't know if you can see, this is the light contour and then this is the medium contour. Let's get my watch out of the way. Okay, so light is here. That is really light. Smells so good though. And this is the medium. Let's see if we can kind of build that light up. You know, I think that's actually going to be pretty nice. One of these is going to actually work, I think, pretty well for contouring me. So that makes me happy. Yeah, well, that was a really short video, wasn't it? Okay, I guess I'm done. That's everything that was in this box. I got this, which is basically a repeat. This, which I'm not super excited about. This lipstick, which is a pretty shade, but again, I know is super on sale. Again, this is nice to have, but again, I know it's super on sale. The only two that I'm really kind of excited about are, I guess this, I mean, I don't know how excited I am about it, but I have this, which is the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask from Glow Recipe, so that at least is a nice brand, and I am excited about this. This is really, it's really pretty. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and see if I can find the prices for these, and then I will come back and tell you how much my box was worth. So hold on, I'm going to go do a little bit of research, okay, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I did a bit of digging, sleuthing around the internet to find prices for all of the items. So let's talk first about the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. So this retails on Sephora's site for $44. It is out of stock there, so you cannot currently purchase it at Sephora. So again, this retails for $44. The the Avocado Retinol Sleeping Mask from Glow Recipe also retails on Sephora for $49. It is not on sale. The lipstick, the Studded Kiss lipstick from Kat Von D in the shade Homegirl, retails for $20. It is not currently available on Sephora's site, so I had to go to KVD Beauty. I can't say it. KVD Vegan Beauty. I don't know. I had to go to that site to find this shade, and it is currently on sale for $5, which means it is going for a quarter of the price that it started as. So there's that. The Inkwell liner, again, I found not on sale for $20 on KVD's site. So again, that one is not on sale. Then for the Skin & Co. body wash, I found that on their own site for $22. And this brush from Billion Dollar Brows, it retails for $35 on the Billion Dollar Brow site. So altogether, if you take at actual retail value, not sale price, my box retails for $190. If you take off that $15 for the lipstick, it retails for $175, which is spot on the nose of what Boxycharm promises to give you in a Boxy Luxe, excuse me, a Boxy Premium as far as value goes. As far as personal value for me, this has absolutely zero because, again, I have not one of these, but two because of that brush set that they sent that was completely messed up, and it had two of these instead of a powder brush. And then I'm supposedly having another of this set sent to me. I should have just told him not to bother with this particular set. So that's on my way. So then I'm going to have three of this brush. And then I already have the other end, which is the highlighting brush. I would never use this to highlight my face. It is way too dense and way too small. Maybe it could work as a blending brush, although again, it's kind of small and dense. I don't know. So again, this has absolutely $0 value for me. This is something that I would never buy. I do not really even... No, I don't buy body washes. I tend to stick with just my Dove Pink Bar. It works great for washing my body. My dermatologist says it's fantastic and it's what I should be using, so it's what I use. I have, again, no interest in this whatever. I will try it out just because it is here, but if I don't like it, I will pass it along to somebody else who maybe might enjoy it. As far as these other things go, I mean, I do like the shade of this lipstick. I'm a little bummed that they chose something that is so out of date that it's going for $5 on their site, but it is what it is. I can always use an eyeliner. This has a nice brush tip to it, and you can see it's still in my hand even though I did wipe the lipstick away. So I'm hoping that it's going to be long wearing as well. Yeah, so I mean, I guess that's fine. Black eyeliner is always kind of a nice thing to have around. The avocado melting mask thing. So I do like to get some skincare in my boxes, but lately all of my boxes have been like so skincare heavy. I have gotten this, I got this in my last box. I got, oh my gosh, I have other things too that are hiding. Oh, right, I got this. I got this. I got this. And those are the ones that are just at hand, and this isn't just the last few months. So I'm a little overrun with face creams, and this is not even counting like the masks that you put on to wash away. So I'm a little overrun, so while normally I might be kind of excited about something like this, right now I'm not because I'm all skin-cared out. And then as far as this goes, this is a beautiful palette. I think it's really, really pretty. And I am kind of excited to use some of these shades in here. This one here, I can probably use as a blush. I don't know about this shade. This is probably a little too dark for me. I might be able to use that as a bronzer. I don't know. I'll have to play with it and see. So I guess that's everything for my Boxy Premium unboxing. It's a short video for once in my life. Yeah, that's everything. I'm a little disappointed. I'm this close to canceling. I might give it one more month. I keep saying that and then I don't cancel. I should probably just cut the cord, but we're going to try one more month and we'll see how it goes. So again, my box retailed for, depending on whether you want to count that lipstick at full price or sale price, either $190 or $175. Yeah, that's everything. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I'm sorry to have such another negative Boxycharm review video, but I do try to keep everything honest and tell you guys the truth and how I'm feeling about the things. And so that's, yeah, that's how I'm feeling about the things. If you enjoyed today's really negative video, please leave a like down below. And while you're down there, please don't forget to hit subscribe. And next to that, there's that little bell. If you ring that bell, you will be notified of all my uploads. And if you'd like to see more of me, I am on Instagram at @SeeMyBliss_beauty. It's the same thing that I am here. And yeah, if you get Boxycharm, I would love to hear from you. I hope that your box was better than mine. Leave that down in the comments below if you feel like it. And I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye.